How to buy dollar anime. AnimeCoin Token Crypto Coin How TO by AnimeMex Global Gate Qcoin ARB Ethereum Uniswap. Sup everybody, HelperDog here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over AnimeCoin. Now, AnimeCoin is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 23rd, on a major central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on AnimeCoin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we get into that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there are a ton of referral codes down in the description box. Check them out for the best crypto apps where you can get free money, free rewards, free crypto, and things like that, just by using those referral codes and funding your account. It's real simple, and referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box, and let's dive into this token. AnimeCoin Overview. This token is on the Arbitrum blockchain and the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it on Arbiscan and Etherscan. Their website is anime.xyz, and they have a Twitter which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here. You can find their Twitter at AnimeCoin, and they've got 126,900 Twitter followers, so it's definitely a huge project. They've also got the gold verification checkmark and 196 tweets. It was just announced that this token will be listed tomorrow, January 23rd at 1400 hours Universal Time, coordinated on MEXC Global. If you're looking to get this token and don't have a MEXC Global account, I do have a MEXC Global referral code down in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you need to do to get this token is simply go through the MEXC Global referral code in the description box. Open an account and fund your account with USDT. Go to the trade section tomorrow, search for AnimeCoin, and simply buy the token. It's that easy. About AnimeCoin. AnimeCoin aims to transform the global anime industry into a community-owned creative network. As the culture coin of the anime industry, AnimeCoin will power a digital economy where 1 billion global fans can shape and own the future of anime. Through a full-stack anime approach, combining original IP creation, mainstream distribution, and purpose-built infrastructure, AnimeCoin will underpin an unprecedented creative ecosystem, enabling the world's most passionate fandom to be owners of future anime. The foundation behind AnimeCoin is the AnimeCoin Foundation, a Cayman Islands foundation company, and they have early contributors like Azuki Labs, creators of the anime-inspired Azuki NFT collection. Market growth and vision. The anime industry is growing fast, with an anticipated growth rate of 15% plus annually and projected to reach $660 billion by 2030, surpassing the size of the global music industry and global box office sales combined. Anime has also shown an exceptional overlap with Web3 culture, as seen with Azuki, a leading Web3 anime IP. However, despite anime's massive growth, the industry faces challenges, including fragmented consumer experience, limited fan participation and value creation, outdated monetization models, underserved global markets, especially younger demographics. The mission of the AnimeCoin Foundation is to democratize anime, creating a more inclusive and participatory industry where fans and creators can own a piece of the success they helped build. Strategy and ecosystem. The full-stack anime strategy will create a flywheel effect, where each component fuels the growth of others. The strategy involves seamlessly integrating blockchain infrastructure, consumer platforms, and IP to ensure that as more users and developers join the network, it becomes increasingly valuable and self-sustaining. AnimeChain is an L3 blockchain leveraging Arbitrum Orbit technology with AnimeCoin as the custom gas token. This setup simplifies the experience for Web2 anime fans, allowing them to interact with gasless transactions and seamless onboarding. The future of AnimeCoin. In the early stages of the AnimeCoin ecosystem, early contributors will have an important role in developing anime.com, a flagship app aiming to do for anime what Discord did for gaming, becoming the dominant social layer for the entire anime industry. Additionally, there will be first and third-party apps focusing on quality and alignment to round out the ecosystem, including IP development, community engagement, collaborative content creation. The goal is to unite the anime community's passion for AnimeCoin, empowering the entire ecosystem. Conclusion. This project is set to revolutionize the global anime industry and has some major exchange listings, with MEXC Global being the first one coming tomorrow. It's a growing space, and if you're interested in getting involved, make sure to check out the MEXC Global referral code down in the description box. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily crypto updates, where I go over the newest coins and tokens, their information, and utility. Thanks for watching, everyone. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.